This is what to watch on Wall Street for Thursday, August 27th. Tomorrow kicks off the Federal Reserve's annual Jackson Hole retreat. While Fed Chair Janet Yellen is not expected to attend, be on the lookout for any clues about a potential interest rate hike before the end of the year. And we'll get lots of economic data starting off at 8:30 a.m. We'll get second quarter GDP. It is expected to be over 3.2%, up from the original estimate of 2.3%. That growth likely due to an increase in retail sales and business inventories for June. Also at 8:30 a.m., jobless claims are expected to be lower, showing an improving labor market. At 10 a.m., the pending home sales index, with an estimated 1% increase for July, could show more positive news for the housing market. And beauty retailer Ulta will release its 2015 second quarter earnings Thursday after the bell. It is expected to report profits of $1.12 a share. That's up from 94 cents a share it reported for the same quarter last year. Revenue is expected to come in at nearly $870 million. And before the bell, earnings for Burlington Stores, Dollar General, and Tiffany Co. And for the latest news and updates on Wall Street, check back on TheStreet.com throughout the week. I'm Valerie Young in New York.